I want to clarify. Kábíyèsí fún bàbá yèyé. This is your second home. This is in the history of the Yoruba, written by Samuel Johnson. It is confirmed that the first Aláàfin in Ọ̀yọ́, no, the first Aláàfin that ruled here was Aláàfin Àjàká, then followed by Ṣàngó, then it was Ṣàngó that took the headquarters of Aláàfin from this place to Ọ̀yọ́ Àtìbà. So, Baba, this is your second home. It is our desire and it is our hope. Those especially today, it has been on the air that Alesapa said by the olókò of Ojulowo that Alesapa is our landlord. It is not so. Kábíyèsí, you know, every land belongs to Aláàfin. And you know, as your second home, I can now imagine how could a vassal king, in the Yoruba history, they talk about vassal king. They are the less king. Àwọn kékèké. How can olókò? How can Aresa? How can olókò say is the one that gave olókò land? When you, the Aláàfin, the Oromiyan, the owner of land, is the owner of this land. So for anybody to come and say anything on the here, which means they don't know history, let them go through the history of the Yoruba, written by Samuel Johnson. It's clearly written there. It's very, very clear. Baba, that is what we Oko people face all over the place. We have Oko in Kwara State, we have Oko in Ogun State, we have Oko in Mushi, we have Oko all over the place. We have Oko in Kwara. So Kábíyèsí, how can the owner of land be subjected to another vassal king as referred by Samuel Johnson? It is not a fallacy. It is clearly written. So today you are on your second. You came to your second home, and we people will see so, and we believe in your leadership, and we believe your leadership will take us to the next generations. Ọlọ́run á fún yín ṣe gbogbo ọgbọ́n tẹ́ nílò láti ṣàṣeyọrí. Kábíyèsí, Olúwa á fún yín ṣe. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. A dúpẹ́ pé